Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel. This look is basically what I've been sporting on these summer nights, okay? A midsummer night's dream. I've been stepping out in this and getting loads of compliments, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. I call it golden hour because when that sun starts to set and it hits your skin, that melanin against the bronzy, goldy, copper colors, sis, oh, you look amazing. And this is the same look I had in this Instagram picture that I got loads of compliments on, so I hope you guys enjoy the video and I will catch you on my next one. As always, if you're new, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell, hit me up, say what's up, give it a thumbs up, all that good stuff. I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!
She go bim bam like a bongo. Make it go left, right, then she drop that low lady mambo. Tell her push that down, she go bim bam like a bongo. When she touch that ground, back it up, turn around, that's a combo. Tell her push that down. Whoa, just that's a lot for me. Got me charged up like a bad daddy, whoa. Break it down for me. Are you the landlord of the property? You ain't got no time for no waste, man. And I don't wanna play, no. I could give you time, give you patience. We could take it slow. Oh, rotate that body. See the promise that I won't be sorry. Like, oh, you that somebody. Clap, clap, make it bam bam for me. Oh, rotate that body. Now she dancing with her hands all on me. Make me wanna buy diamond. Make me wanna buy diamond. She go bim bam like a bongo. Make it go left, right, then she drop that low lady mambo. Tell her push that down. She go bim bam like a bongo. When she touch that ground, back it up, turn around, that's a combo. Swish, swash, whoa. Tell her push that down. Mommy, 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 mommy. What a pretty, pretty body. Won't you shake it for me now? Mommy, 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 mommy. What a pretty, pretty body. Won't you shake it for me now? Whoa, from the capital, but the waistline international. Whoa, give me vertigo. When she go down, don't know where to go. You deserve a standing ovation for giving me that solo. You know I got the right medication. If you wanna dose, oh, rotate that body. See the promise that I won't be sorry. Like, oh, you that somebody. Clap, clap, make it bam bam for me. Oh, rotate that body. Now she dancing with her hands all on me. Make me wanna buy diamond. Make me wanna buy diamond. She go bim bam like a bongo. Make it go left, right, then she drop that low lady mambo. Tell her push that down. She go bim bam like a bongo. When she touch that ground, back it up, turn around, that's a combo. Swish, swash, whoa. Tell her push that down. Mommy, 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 mommy. What a pretty, pretty body. Won't you shake it for me now? Mommy, 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 mommy. What a pretty, pretty body. Won't you shake it for me now? Stop, left, right, whoa.
Don't know your name, but it ring a bell. Could be Kim, could be Annabelle. Oh yeah, we don't chat, we don't ever tell. Nah, you're new to it, but you do it well. Look what you do to me, look what you do to me. You take my energy, you take my energy. I need your hands on me, I need your hands on me. Cause you got the remedy, you got the remedy. Yeah, I think setting in, so hot like a soling. I'm calling you cause you got the remedy. I think a fever setting in, so hot like a soling. I'm calling you cause you got the remedy. Prescription, back to addiction. Prescription, you got the remedy. You're a freaking animal. Hey, back shots for the antidote. Yeah. Young thing from Senegal. Hey, you're so fine, nothing typical. Look what you do to me. Look what you do to me. You take my energy. You take my energy. I need your hands on me. I need your hands on me. Cause you got the remedy. You got the remedy. Yeah. I fever setting in, so hot like a soling. I'm calling you cause you got the remedy. I think I fever setting in, so hot like a soling. I'm calling you cause you got the remedy.
I was on a vibe when I run up on them. Me see you my people, me say come then. Tell all your brethren and tell them bring a friend. Let's run up and jam till the sun out again. I was on a vibe when I run up on them.